Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
احنا دخلنا لايف.
Hello.
Hello,
Hi,
hello.
hi. How you doing?
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
All good.
How you doing? Are you having fun with gold?
I am. I'm having a blast with gold, actually.
Yes, super.
I
How
think
crazy,
I think
how
it's
crazy,
obvious.
sorry, say again?
Yeah, I think it's obvious. Yeah.
Yeah. How
I
crazy it
even
can
look
be.
more comfortable. Good evening to you too, Radwing. Good evening, everyone, and welcome to a new New York session. How have you been, Rosa?
Yeah, life's treating me okay. Gold is also very good.
Yeah,
Lately,
it's been good.
it's crazy as a cow. But yeah, it's fun times with Trump.
Yeah. Have you heard what like? Have you watched his his bits
Not
from
yesterday,
Davos?
but the day before, I was watching him for nearly hour and a half or so. But yesterday, I
Yeah.
didn't have the time. I just heard bits and pieces. Crazy. I mean,
Yeah, he's just like straight up like threatening Macron and the other
everyone.
leaders. Yeah, he does not care. This guy
Yeah,
is something. Oh wow. And
yeah,
by the way,
it is.
did you guys see the drop in gold last night? It was because he said, you know what, I think we're not going to take Greenland by force, but we will take Greenland at
Yep.
but not like by force. So like the
Yeah,
market said, okay, so since it's not by force and he's not thinking of violence, so gold dropped. But then he changed his mind
yeah,
like later in the night, and it went back up.
yeah, yeah. So
So
it's
crazy.
like he was counting the crude oil like 2 days ago. He was counting as its own the crude oil from Venezuela,
Yeah,
and he said back like in plain English, like very calm down. Um, we are in charge of the 60-ish
yeah,
percent of the crude oil, including Venezuela's. Not a change in the tone, and
yeah. He's like
people
he
were
does mean it.
laughing.
No. He means it. He
It
means
means
every
it.
word he says. This guy
He's
is something.
it's something. Honestly, I'm not saying I agree or disagree with him, but beyond that,
Yeah,
it's he does his job extremely well because
for the
he
U.S. Only
says,
for the U.S., but
yeah,
not
for
for
the
the world.
US. No, no, for the US, of course. I mean,
Yeah,
in the sense of he says whatever he likes, and people keep voting him. And people, and I'm not saying everything's right or everything's wrong. So, but it's like he says whatever he wants to say.
yeah,
He lets it out, tone, and he probably sleeps well at night.
yeah.
I
I
think
bet. I
sometimes I
bet he
think it's
does.
like a charade. Like he doesn't mean everything he says. At least is what I hope. Although,
Like
otherwise the world's
it's a
ending.
theory that like he raises the bar like too high so that like whatever like just below
Yeah,
whatever he gets below it is fine.
that's what I think.
Yeah,
That's
that's
what
a
I think.
theory as
Yeah.
well.
Mm. It reminds me when I threaten my kids. So I always
Yeah,
raise the bar and then
yeah.
yeah.
We
So
will never go out of the house again.
yeah.
Yeah, we
And
will
then
go out.
okay,
Yeah,
all right. For
I
five
get it.
minutes you can leave the house.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
crazy. But we need for markets having a Trump. It's something nice to have because there's volatility, there's movement.
Yeah,
He keeps things interesting. Like
yeah, he does. And by the way, last thing about Trump, did you see on Truth Social he posted a map that includes Greenland, Canada, the US, and Venezuela all under the American flag.
Seriously?
I swear to God, you can
On
Google it
through
now.
social? Through
Yeah, through
social?
social. Yeah, like people went crazy over this, especially Canadians. Like, take a look at this. Okay, let's take a look at the people while you look it up. Let me see if people are asking anything. Hello, hello.
Is there any questions there?
Are you at a new location? Yeah, I'm in Dubai's office. Came for
Ooh.
a visit, and I'm currently going live from Dubai's office. Thank you. It looked like Mr. Beast and short. Gold bias today, or of Ronaldo's team. And this is good to trade. Extra volatility always welcome to Trump. As US breakdown. Okay, let's go to the gold chart. What do you think? Would you like to share your screen, Rosa?
I can share it, but I can't analyze it because it's so let
Okay.
me I can give you my views, but it's not like an analysis or anything. Oh, just bear with me. It is giving me a hard time.
No, just like the daily bias. Let's discuss
Hmm.
the daily bias because people here want to see what we have in
Okay,
terms
I'm
of.
sharing already. Can you see my charts? All right.
I can, yes.
Okay,
Good.
so just as always, I'm gonna show the entries. That was a buy here today, like 4 hours ago. Then a sell. I did perform very well today, and that's another buy. So market was behaving amazingly, and I think I've missed out this bottom here. Just bear with me a second.
Yeah, take your time. I think
No, no.
we're still going up for the day, huh? What do
Um,
you think?
I'm waiting. Let me move this other chart here to the right so I can put some levels. So levels, we're going for 1413,
Okay.
1413 kind of right there. So this is the, I'm gonna, I'll change the colors later, but this is one of the areas we are going to hit today. And then moving up, hmm, there's quite a resistance around 4384. This is M1. Let's go to, this is M5. So I move a bit better on M5.
Yeah.
So in this area here, there's a resistance. I wouldn't try out a long unless it reaches out the level I just set a few minutes ago. Let me put here, that
Which
one.
is 15, 13. What is it?
20, 48, 1, 3, 13.
13. Okay.
13. So
And
I'm
then
not
if
sure.
it breaks it, like, where are we heading?
If it breaks
Where do you
down,
think we're heading?
if it goes
Yeah,
down,
if it breaks 13, where do you think
yeah,
we're heading?
the exact point is 4804.
Uh-huh. Okay. I kind
48.
of agree with those. Um, to be honest, I've been waiting for the like early 800s, like 804, 803,
Hmm.
um, to execute on a buy, but I still don't have it. And my stops, even if I want to execute now, my stops are like far away. And if you look at the 1 hour candle, it's like a very negative
1 hour.
hourly candle. Yeah,
Just okay. This is 1 hour.
yeah, it looks very negative. The like past hour, the past hourly close.
Hmm. It's to
So
me. It's not bullish to me.
yeah, it's not bullish. So I think we might be heading towards 804, 809, somewhere around that zone. Um,
804 is very possible today. Is one of the areas I have. Is this low here? That one is the key.
But you don't think it might go like lower than 800?
It could be, but it'll be a retracement, a nice retracement in this area. I don't think it's going to break it extremely hard.
Yeah.
I think it's going to break it a little bit, and then it will retrace at least 50 to 80 pips is what I'm expecting, and I'll be there. So I'll be buying at this point if I'm not
Yeah,
sleeping, of course. So
but like if it stabilizes around the 815, 816, for example,
hmm,
and like we get a bullish setup from there, it might be worth it to just like enter with a smaller position. Like for example,
around
if
around what
around
number?
like um, 815, 816, so your stop loss would be like 814, 13 and a half.
Hmm.
So it would be worth it to try around that level, because I agree, the 813 might be a very um, important level if it gets broken to the downside, and we might see like more downside. But from what I see now, like on lower time frames, if you go to the 15 minutes, it
Yeah.
tried to break, like it just like tried for the first time to break below, and it couldn't, and
Hmm.
got rejected from that level. So this might show us that the 813 level is actually very important, as you said.
It is 13 is important. So if it goes to 13, I'll be buying. But I expect like
That is exactly what I was saying.
yeah.
Like
So
if your
I
stops
expect
below
like
that level.
exactly. So 30, 40 points retracement, and then it might go down a little bit more. So this is the next area. This here, that one here,
Uh,
4804. It has to be touched, whether you like it or not.
804.
Yeah, 804.5.
Yeah, I hope that happens.
But then and then
I
it'll
have it
retrace a
marked
little
on my
bit, and
chart.
then he'll try O2. This is my approach, and it's because this level is not because of here. Is this what this area here? I've seen that many times. These patterns, 1, 2, 3 power, and then it'll touches, and it's the same pattern over and over. So that's why I pointed out this area. It's very, to me, it'll happen. It can happen today.
Yeah, I hope it does, to be
Let's
honest,
see.
because like that would be a great buy opportunity, especially after yesterday's close, which was like quite bullish
Mm.
after being very bearish. Like the close turned out to be bullish, although like till the very late hours of the session,
Mm.
it looked like it was going to close bearish, but it didn't,
Yeah.
which is like an extra bullish sign. Like bulls did not accept to leave price close below a certain level, which is like a very bullish sign.
Just seeing there's some news in 16 minutes. Oh, the unemployment claims. Okay. Is it 22nd? Yeah. Unemployment claims.
Yeah, let me check.
Mm. And then again at 4 p.m. So when we finish, when we are done with the live stream, 10
Mm,
a.m.
Let me
New
take a
York,
look at the
8:30
calendar.
and Toby.
So today, yeah, we have the what's it called, the uh, GDP in 15
Mm.
minutes.
Mm-hmm.
That's even like
Unemployment claims, GDP.
GDP is very important, and it's expected to be higher than the previous, which was 3.8, which is not low to start with, but the forecast is 4.3. So let's see how the actual number comes in.
Mm.
If it comes in higher than 4.3, then like that's very bullish for the dollar and for the US economy. And why bullish for the dollar? Because it means that the Fed does not have to cut rates to boost the economy, because the economy is already doing well. So that's why it is considered to be bullish for the US dollar. So the GDP is the amount of growth that the economy has achieved in a quarter. So that's for Q3 of 2025. And then we have the initial jobless claims, and then we have the core PCE. PCE is very important. Today is a very important day, by the way. We have PCE and we have GDP, both very important numbers. The PCE is the Fed's most most likable or the favorite inflation gauge of the Fed is the PCE. Like it's a bit different than the CPI. The calculation is a bit different. That's why it is more representative of the real situation of the inflation. That's why the Fed relies more on PCE than CPI.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry to bore you with this fundamental bit.
Not at
Back
all.
to you, Rosa.
No, that's it. So it's waiting time. This is M5 and M1. I feel comfortable watching M1. And these are my levels, the ones we've been talking about. So for the, let me just change some of the colors because I think it can be hit easily. 48 to 002 today.
So
So
802.
uh, yeah,
Yeah, okay. I think that gold will fall down. Like if it reaches what Rosa was like talking about, then yeah, we're like we're looking at a 200 pip fall for now.
mm.
Uh, kind of looks like a fall. Everyone is saying it might be falling. What is EQ, bro? What do you mean? What do you mean EQ?
EQ.
Redwing. Redwing is asking what is EQ. What do you mean EQ? Price hold above EQ. Farming is saying maybe he means the equilibrium price, which is like um, the fair value price. Farming, since it's your strategy, please explain to Redwing what an EQ is. Favorite indicator PCE for Fed. Yes, correct. My level is at 818. Farming is waiting for 818.
Um, it's a nice level, but I think it'll go down this level. It has to try. And this level yesterday in the live stream, I said 4813 was about to be reached within the session, and it happened like we ended the session, and then it happened like 10 minutes afterwards, because it's a level, and I think gold will retest this level 13, 12, and then it'll move down. It's
So,
like
will you be buying if it reaches 13?
yeah, 12. 12 is my level today.
To be honest, let me tell you what I think. I think it will not go down any further than it went. Like
That
13,
20.
yeah, I think 13 and 12 like will not be broken at least for this session. Um, but I'm not sure, of course. If I'm sure, I'd be a
Me
billionaire
neither.
tomorrow morning.
Me
I'd make
neither.
like $10 billion tomorrow
Yeah.
morning. But no, I'm not sure, but most likely I don't see it happening. I don't see a break below 813. I'm more inclined toward a bullish scenario, toward like pushing toward, let's say, at least the all-time high, which is the 880. So which is $50 from here. So it's not bad at all.
Oh wow, you go in for the all-time high?
Yeah, it's not very far from here, to be honest.
Okay.
And I have, as I told you in the beginning, I have a very bullish sign, which was like
Remove the-
the price action from last night.
Yeah.
Um, it almost closed bearish, but it didn't. So to me, that's very bullish. It means one thing. It means that bulls did not accept or did not let the price close below a certain level. So this level was the 800. Since the 800 is very important for bulls, then I don't expect to see it get broken or like even go near the 800. We might go to 810, 813, yes, but not lower than that. I don't believe that 813 would be broken based on the price action and behavior we saw from bulls last night.
Hmm.
I
Yeah,
don't know
it
if that
closed
makes
bullish.
sense,
Yeah.
but that's, yeah, it's just like in my head it translates as bullish.
And you might be right. I mean, no one knows the future. That's why we're here.
Yeah, exactly. That's why we analyze. That's why
Yeah.
we put some scenarios because like anything might happen.
Yeah, but it will hit 12 before the end of the session.
I hope. I genuinely hope because I want to buy
I'm
gold.
always kidding, and you know that it's like
Yeah, yeah.
who knows? I mean, the point is,
I'm not joking. I'd love it. I'd love it to reach
I'll be
12 for sure.
buying,
You know what? I don't need 12. Just give me 14 and I'm happy.
and you'll be buying at that
Yeah,
point.
I'll be buying.
Mm,
14,
okay.
15, I'll be buying. No problem.
Hmm.
See, I'm not greedy. Just 40. So this is this. Okay. Uh I might be agreeing with farming. The 818 is a like might be the next retest level. I hope it goes down to 12, but I don't know. I don't see it happening. I hope it reaches 14. Only 14. I don't want 12. I leave the 12 to you. I don't want to be that accurate. Just give me 14 and I'll be happily riding that wave to a new all-time high.
O2 will be hit today. So, how's that for an accurate analysis with no money involved? Huh?
What is it
So,
again? I didn't get that.
no, because I'm saying O2 or whatever, 00 will be hit today. And I was asking, how's that for an analysis for free? Because
Uh-huh.
when things are for free, anything can happen. The thing is just putting your money where
Where
your
your mouth is, yeah.
where your mouth is. So we all have to wait and do our best, and fingers
Yeah, yeah.
crossed.
I think now it's time for observation. Like I wouldn't buy nor sell around this level.
No, not yet.
So we're waiting. I'm waiting. Rosa's waiting, I believe.
Yes,
Okay.
hands off. Okay, this is M5.
Okay. Suits is saying I will observe for now. A great thing I wrote in my journal, which I forgot. Trading is not about what you could or would have done. It's about what you did and what you didn't. That's actually pretty good.
Yeah, it is, and it's true.
If 4,618 gets broken to the downside, I would go short farming. I think he means 400, 4,800, not 600, right? 818.
818. Oh goodness.
Yeah, yeah. He means 818. Um, I like that level as well, to be honest, farming. Hmm. I think we might start dropping from here to retest, not dropping. I mean,
Hmm.
yeah, looks like the start of a correction. Okay,
News in 4 minutes.
so stars are aligning. We need
Mm,
volatility to hit the 814, like 14 $15 from here, and then break above, close above, retest, and then start going up. So yeah, uh, this will cause like high volatility, and we will have
mm.
this screenshot movement, like down, up, and then like it chooses a direction and continues moving. For some reason, I think the dollar will um, like the GDP numbers will come in negative.
Negative, you said? Yes.
Yeah, I think they might come in negative because the euro looks bullish to me and the DXY looks bearish to me. So price action discounts news before they are actually released. Especially that this is like about uh, 3 months ago, which is about even more.
Mm.
This is about Q3 2025, and markets are forward looking. They don't look at the past. So I think the numbers will come in as negative because it's been negative for the past 3 months. I don't know if that makes sense.
It does. But is there actually straight
Yeah.
relationship between news and what's expected and what happens after the releases? So in the past, like,
Yes. Okay. Let me make sure I understood your question. You mean that like, is there actually a way to mathematically
mm,
measure the whether it's going to be positive or negative before it comes out, just by
not
using
that,
the
just
price?
just saying if it's negative, dollar will go up, and how many times that happened for that specific news. Um,
Oh, okay.
that it's related the expected outcome and what the dollar has to do if it's negative or positive and what actually happens with the dollar.
Okay, okay. Like I think that statistic is out there somewhere, but from my own experience, let me give you the example after the this number is released, which is the GDP,
Mm.
and I believe the initial jobless claims they're at the same time. Yeah,
Yep, it's in
yeah, they're
1 minute.
1 minute. So
Yeah, yeah.
let's wait for those, and then I'll tell you how I look at it, and I'll give you an example.
Mm.
Okay. They're out. Okay, so 4.4%, that's positive. And even the initial jobless claims came in positive. Let's take a look. How did the market react to this? Gold is dropping. Um,
My
even
mouse
though,
is at the buy button.
okay, 18 is a great level, to be honest.
Yeah. I love
You know
these
what?
discussions.
Yeah, yeah.
Ready, get ready, it's about.
So what's that level? 20. Yeah, I bought.
Okay, because it was nearly at 18. It's a good one.
Uh, I got filled at 20. I don't know why.
Because of the volatility.
Yeah, but like I saw it was 18.
Yeah.
How come?
Hmm.
Yeah. So the TP is
Okay,
eight
I think
eight
it's about to drop.
now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I have some room to buy more. It's weird trading from somewhere like other than my office.
Yes. Um,
It feels different.
I don't trade the same way when I'm not home.
Yeah, like, it feel even like the feeling is different.
Everything's different.
Mm. 18 was a brilliant level for me.
Hmm.
Okay. So my wife is outside in Dubai now, spending money, and I'm receiving messages. What
Of
a
the
feeling!
purchases, yeah.
I feel trapped.
Yeah.
I can't
This
do
trade
anything about
will
it.
work out for you. You have to make some money this afternoon.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have to. Thank God we have live streams and we have markets. Okay.
Where's your take profit?
Triple eight, which is the all-time high.
Mhm. Yeah, you said that before, right?
Yeah, stop loss 812.
Hmm.
Because if it breaks there, I better just buy from somewhere around like 804, 802.
Mm.
Yeah, no need to just like waste $10, $20 for nothing.
Mm.
Just like 200 pips. It's not bad, but I got filled at a like at a
Mm.
bad price. Just 20. I asked for 18. I saw 18 actually. I clicked when it was 18. Maybe because I used my phone, or it doesn't matter.
All the spread when news are released, the spread on
No, I was
CFDs is
looking
just
at my
crazy.
own side. I was looking
Oh,
at
okay.
the ask side.
Mm.
Hmm. Anyway, okay, guys. So let's play a game. Um.
Sell, I think. I wait 5 minutes. Okay, sell, I think. Red Wing. Not sure. Just waiting for the selling side.
You didn't buy, did you?
No.
Okay.
It's either 12, 13, or 02. What Sishi is meaning with, especially when there is a time zone change, the trading execution decisions,
Um. I didn't get that. What?
or maybe he's talking about when we were talking about not being at our usual place for
Oh
trading.
yeah.
Time change, yeah, it affects, but it's more like the environment in my case. It's my
Yeah,
chair,
me
my
too, me too. Like
desktop.
I don't care if the like the session is the session. Like New York session is still New York session wherever you go in the world, but it's the environment that changes.
It's my safe space. It's changed,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
I'm not in my safe space.
Farming is waiting for another drop to go long.
Yeah.
Can you tell us what are your confirmations to enter a buy? That's basically just like a moving average, which is the 200-day moving average with um, a 50% retest of a previous engulfing candle. What else? And as I told Rosa in the beginning, when we were discussing, I told her anywhere around like that area, if I get a tight stop
Mm.
loss with the potential to get like a big reward, which is like all the way up to the all-time high level, then yeah, I would go for it, even if it doesn't like fulfill every like each and every uh, entry criteria, but it's still worth it. So it's a probability game. So sometimes you need to think outside the box. If it's worth it, then go for it.
Hmm.
Doesn't mean like I'm not saying ignore your rules or ignore your. You still use your risk management rules. You still do the whole thing, but um, like the confirmation to enter the market or to buy, if it's like just a trial, you can tip your toes. That's all I can tell you. You can tip your toes. That's okay. If the risk is calculated and it is contained, so to speak. What are your confirmations to buy at 814? I think that's for you, Rosa.
Um, eight 813 or 812 are my levels. It's because it was an important level I just discussed yesterday. It had to be touched yesterday. It did touch it, and it has to be retested today. Um, Sometimes gold has patterns. Sometimes it's over 45 minutes. Some of the patterns are, at least what I think. I'm not, who am I to know? But sometimes it's over 2 hours, and sometimes it's over a session, and it's repeating this pattern session after session. That's why sometimes my levels are so accurate. It's just because it's a pattern. So 13, it's a key level for whatever reason.
It is.
I don't know the reason, and that's why my level is that one.
It is a key level, yes, because of like it's a significant level because like look at how many times it
Yeah,
retested and it
I mean,
respected that price. Obviously,
le-
like yeah, that's why.
yeah, this is
Um,
let's see the session yesterday. This 13, we were, could it be here? Yeah, session 4, this is 3. Yeah, we were here. This is 5 minutes time frame. And we were around here, and price was moving, gold was moving up. Let me do that instead so it's clear. This is the 21st, yesterday. So we were here, price was moving up, and I say, don't worry about it, it's about to hit 13 because it's a key level. And it did hit after a few minutes. It's been playing around just to distract people, but I still think it's going to be hit that one, and then a retracement, and then it'll try to hit 02. That, because it's a pattern. I actually don't know why. I mean, the reason is 13 and not 24. It's because it repeats itself.
okay, do you mind if I share my screen real quick?
Of course not.
just to answer
Yep, all
the
yours.
question. Okay, so where is it? Hmm. How do I? Yeah, there it is. Here. Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Not yet. What about now?
Nope.
Still?
Yeah,
Guys, I'm
sometimes you
trying
have
to
to
share my
try.
screen. Can you please help with that? Guys in the backstage. Yep, there it is. Okay, so to answer your question, if you see where like this blue line, which is the moving average, that's the 126-day moving average, which is the most or that's my favorite moving average. So that's on around 18. That's to answer your question. And another reason is if you look here on the 1 minute time frame. Can you wait for 1 second, please? I need to buy. Oh, it hit 12.
Yeah.
Nice. Are you buying?
Yes. I mean,
Nice. Okay. I think, yeah, but like, where would my stop would like? I don't know. Where are you going to place your stop, Rosa?
right below the minimum because it's about to retrace.
So yeah, right below this candle, the lowest candle now.
Mm,
Oh wow, that's brave.
I'm out.
Oh what? Holy shit! 20
Yeah.
pips and that's it, and you
Yeah.
left.
Yeah.
Amazing.
High risk, very leverage, a lot of leverage.
Nice.
On my
Well
personal
done.
account on funding pips, it's now it reversed. You say, and now it's going up and it's going to. It's just a second.
I'll wait for
Spread
a
spread still is too high now. That's why
yeah.
sometimes I have to change between my personal account and funding pips or any other prop firm because of the spread. It's about to test O2.
Oh please,
It'll try.
please do.
So that's what I said. Level 13 and then 30 pips. I said
So
30. It went up
70.
25 for now from the level. From the level, it's top 25. So I said 30. Okay, it's kind of. It might be more, but this is not um, expectable if this word even exists.
So the hourly candle broke the previous candle's high, and then after that it broke the low, which is
Hmm. And it's
not very
about,
positive.
it has to drop.
Yeah,
it,
believe me, it has to
that,
drop.
seriously, that's why I bought a crystal ball at Amazon.
Do you
So
have one?
it knows everything. It's not it's not me, and it's telling me it's going down. So
Please buy one and just like hold it next to you in the live
I
streams.
have one. Yeah, I have one mine here, and it's saying it's about to drop. Okay, so now on a serious note, level 13 is out for this
Yeah.
week. So even if it goes back to level 13 up or down, it's not a level I'm going to trade anymore because it's already out. The pattern's completed, out. And I deleted it from my chart because I don't want to see it anymore. It's done. Next level, it's O2 and it'll be touched 3 times. If it goes for the level today, tomorrow is Friday, it might skip Friday, but it has to go to this level Tuesday or Monday or Tuesday with probabilities 60-ish, 70-ish on Monday, 60-ish on Tuesday. If it doesn't happen on Tuesday, then it might not happen. Then we'll have to wait. But you see now it's playing around this level, like up, down, up, down. If you see the 1 minute candles, just to see clearly, like up, down, up, down, up, down, and it'll try.
So now we're waiting for 802.
It might not happen now, but to me, it's about to happen. It has to happen before the end of the session. We still have hours,
Yeah.
but it will try to get there.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Professor. She should back test. Okay, so people are complaining about my white background or white screen. So you're
Why?
free to share. I don't know. Someone is saying,
Oh, it's stuck.
I
Maybe it wasn't moving.
no, they're like saying they need to enable eye care mode to watch my charts because they're too
Oh,
white. Yeah,
and mine is too too black.
too. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's never good. Whatever you do, it's never
Yeah.
good.
I would say thank you instead for Saif got an entry with 20-ish points up. That's a day for me.
Actually, 40 pips, but I
40,
didn't close, obviously. Yeah,
and I gave an exact level with 45 points up. So you're welcome instead of the black or white screen.
that's fine.
I don't know. I mean, it's
Um,
fine, but it's like you're talking about NASA, and then someone saying, "Did you cut your hair?" It's like, what? What?
okay, so yeah, for me, it's hell.
That I
Yeah,
understand the
some people
coloring.
are like sensitive to colors. Yeah, I get that.
And it's understandable in the sense of I have it black because I spend many hours in front of the screen, and
Yeah,
having it white, I had to change it over. So I understand, but I'm not saying it's a bad comment, but it's like you trying to give it all your knowledge, and comments like that is like it th- threw yourself like oh, what was that about?
yeah. Nothing throws me off anymore, to be honest.
Once
Once you understand that people are different, then yeah.
oh no, and it's not about comment. At one live stream, like 2 years ago, I was doing this, but in 1 minute time frame, like giving you buy now, you sell, and I was giving the signals on voice because YouTube
Okay.
lags a little bit, so they knew the right moment I was entering. Like I'm in, I'm out, ready to go in again, and I was doing that, and it was like past 1 hour, me just giving it all, and someone say, you don't use makeup? And say, you should thank I had a shower
Why don't
today.
you
So
use makeup?
it's like, Like, what a comment is that? And I was laughing, of course, but it's like, oh, come on. So, yeah, I don't
That's a
use
funny
it.
comment, to be honest.
I know it's offending, but it's not like it's
No,
like,
it's funny. It's funny. It's not offending. I wouldn't find it offending.
yeah, like, this is not a beauty channel. Just giving you signals.
Yeah, just entered buys.
Good.
Not me, not me. I'm reading the uh, I'm reading the
Farming,
chat.
I did buy, and then I closed it when it was 25 pips retracement. Now it's going up, it's fine. I used a high risk entry because I was hoping for these 25, 30 pips and then out. And that's what I did. Now it's going higher, but this is someone else's battle, not mine anymore.
Okay. Did you close your buy? No, it got closed by itself. Stop loss hit. My stop loss was at 12, 812. Let me take a look at this. Yeah. Um, I'm not sure if we're still going up or not. But you say we're still going down to 802, right?
Not now. It might happen in 3 hours' time. So it might go up and then down. It's just a level
Yeah,
it has to be hit, but I don't
yeah,
know
I
when.
got you.
I'm just waiting for the price to get there and I'll buy again. And that level will be around 50, 60 pips retracement.
Okay.
At least it's what I'm expecting.
Hmm. I think 32 might be a good target for people buying from here, no?
Hmm. Hmm.
Can anyone share your screen? Rosa, would you do that?
Yeah, of course.
Thank
I thought you were sharing yours still.
Yeah, no, I removed it because it was bothering someone's eyes.
You see
I'm
it?
on my losing streak. Any tips to keep going? We all go through losing streaks. Just keep going and lower your risk as much as you can. Smaller positions until you start um, going on winning streaks. Make sure you get your confidence back, and then you start scaling up or uh, going bigger and bigger with time. That's the basically the ultimate advice from in my opinion, which is keep your risk small, smaller positions until you gain your confidence back, and then scale up as you go.
Hmm.
What about you, Rosa? Someone is on their losing streak and they are asking for tips.
Keep doing what you do. Exactly the same thing over and over.
Yeah,
It's the only way. But only if you do over and over exactly the same thing. Then you can analyze if it's you or it's the market. But you're going to lose.
yeah.
If you were aware of
I
how
just
many
lost.
times do I lose, it's crazy. Yeah, Saif
Yeah,
lost one trade
just now.
now,
Yeah.
and I might lose the next one. So today was a good day for now, but then I might end up losing 3 trades this afternoon. That's it. No problem.
I'm losing inside and outside the market now, in this moment.
Hmm.
When the wife is out shopping, you're losing everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. And it's not the trade, it's even more. So, oh, come on.
Yeah. Oh my God, there's a sale. We need to buy the whole thing. Yeah.
I would be lost there because some people like shopping, and I understand, and I'm not. I don't like
I
shopping
hate
that
it.
much,
I
and
hate
I'm
it.
the one just looking at everything, and then I put it back, and people say, "Why don't you buy it? You like it?" Yeah, but maybe some other day. And they are always desperate when I go with my
No,
friends
if I
shopping.
like something, I just like do my research on that thing and like look at it and make sure that I want it, and then I just go and buy it
Yeah, and
without like I don't need even like I don't need anyone to help me. I know exactly what I want. I just go to the
yeah,
place, I take it, and I leave.
and I buy.
Yeah, I just buy it. I make sure it fits. I just leave.
Hmm.
No, women are different.
Yeah, they are. I
Obviously,
mean,
yeah.
I'm not. I used to buy many things a few years ago, but now you are more careful with what you on what you spend your money. But yeah. There's 2 days a year that I don't have a look at the debit card. I don't pay attention to that, and I just pass it over. 2 days a year, and I don't look back. I don't even go to the bank
Is
account.
Christmas one day of those?
Ah,
Is Christmas one day of those 2 days?
no, it's usually February when everything's more relaxed. There's no sales, and everyone's not shopping as much as in Christmas time. It's February, and it's September. Yeah,
Okay.
because there's not many people just buying. So, and then I go in the morning when everyone's working, and yeah, and I don't look back.
I genuinely hate it. I get stressed in
Mm,
like in shopping malls and no, it's not me.
it's crazy. Yeah, it's a bit too
I
much.
like I like nature more. So like just throw me somewhere like where it has some greenery and some water
Mm.
and I'm happy. Yeah, imagine and internet obviously so that I
And,
can like watch
yeah,
the market.
that's the thing.
Did you read the news? Trump's NATO deal would mean U.S. mines and missiles in Greenland. Does it affect the market? Of course, it does affect the
Yeah.
market, but um, like nobody actually knows what Trump has in mind. Like because like he doesn't necessarily do what he says, and sometimes he does things that he never said. So like there are this surprise factor as well. So let's wait and see, man. I don't know, but as long as Trump is in office, we will keep seeing volatility and we will keep seeing craziness in the market. And yeah, it will affect the market, my friend. I've reached 3 challenges in these 2 weeks. That's okay, right, Rosa? It happens.
Just
Reaching
to
reaching 3 challenges in 2 weeks. That's actually slow. You need to reach faster.
yeah.
I,
I've lost count of how many
yeah,
challenges I've lost. Maybe between futures. Actually with many accounts at once, and I might breach. I don't know, 15 accounts every week. 10, 15. Yeah,
yeah,
it's easy. It's not about okay. Now I'm in a buy in a. sell on another account, but it's not CFD. It's not. It's my strategy
You are
account.
now in a cell.
Yeah, but
Okay.
it's the robot. It entered automatically, so I don't know.
Okay.
Just leave it.
Gold is now like smart Trump money. I mean, smart Trump concepts. STC, that's new. Instead of smart money concepts. I hate shopping too. Cheers, welcome to the club. I told you it will fall and given little massive dump. Yeah, so Rosa, I have a game for you.
Okay,
Okay.
go ahead.
I want you to choose a number from 1 to 10. Okay?
Okay,
And
now
don't tell me. Yeah. Just don't say it, okay?
I'm gonna write it down.
Okay, write it down exactly.
Down.
All right. So multiply it by 9.
Ooh. Okay, just okay.
Are you sure you got it right? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Then add up the digits.
What do you mean, the digits of the
Like for
result?
example, if it's 11, like 1 plus
Okay.
1 is 2.
Okay. Right.
Okay. So subtract 5.
Right.
Okay. Now get the alphabet corresponding letter of that. Like you subtracted 5, right? So if
Yeah.
it's like, for example, if it's 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, then A, B, C, D, E. So E is the fifth.
Ooh. I'll have to check, but it's a nice number. It's a big number. I don't know what letter is that. It's not like
Okay.
A B C D E. Just a second. It's a Spanish alphabet or
No, English alphabet, of course.
Okay. It's important because we have different letters. Number. Okay, I won't say it.
Okay, great. So you got the letter, right?
Yeah. I think I've
Okay,
done
so
it right. I'm not sure about it.
I'm doing this with all of you guys. So everyone watching, you can play this game with us. So again, let's start over just to make sure that you got it right. You need to
Yeah.
choose a number from 1 to 10 and then
Okay.
multiply it by 9 and
Okay.
then add up the digits.
Okay. Just
And
a sec.
then
Just a second. I'm positions coming up. Just a second.
okay.
And
Let me check the chart real quick. Yeah, we're still doing fine. Yeah, of course, it does relieve stress during a trade.
Okay, bear with me, please. My computer is freezing.
Bad timing to freeze, huh?
Yeah. Well, anyway, that's it. That's it. Whatever it is, it can wait. Okay, a
Did you
number
execute?
times 9.
Yeah, did you execute or not yet?
No, it's okay. My computer is freezing, so I won't move the mouse just in case.
Okay. All right, so you multiply by 9
Yeah.
and then you add up the digits that you got from
Mm-hmm.
and then you subtract 5
Yeah.
and then you get the alphabet corresponding letter.
Okay. Yes, I've done it right the first time. Okay.
Okay, then I want you to think of a country that starts with that letter.
It's come on, country.
That starts with that letter.
This is Okay, in English. Okay, yeah, yeah. So
Yeah,
yeah,
okay.
yeah.
And then the last letter of that country, think of an animal that starts with the last letter
Okay,
of that country.
done.
Okay, and the last letter of that animal for a fruit.
For a fruit. Okay.
Yeah, now how, like, what are the odds that I would know the country, the animal, and the fruit
um,
after
Probably
all this?
high because it's a game, but
Yeah, yeah.
I wouldn't I wouldn't know why. I wouldn't. I don't know.
Okay, so that's basically mathematical trick. So you'll get the number 4. So A, B, C, D. So D is Denmark. Denmark. Then you go to the K. You think of kangaroo, and then the O. You think of orange. So people in the chat actually answered that. I don't know what you got. So please share yours. It should always
I'm reading the
like
comments. Yeah, it's number three.
number 3. How? Like what number did you choose from 1 to
Num
10?
Number three.
Okay, okay. So
So
multiplied by 9.
27 plus 2 minus 5 is 24. That's the letter X.
So you add up the digits.
Yeah.
So
Two.
that's 9. You take out 5. So that's 4.
Yeah.
So A, B, C, D. You have to get D.
Oh, but because I know because it was 27, so you add up the digits. Okay.
Yeah. So
I
2
thought you
plus
had to
7.
add I had to add that
No,
it's
no, no, no.
that number
That's
27
that's
is two
just,
digits.
yeah, that's
Okay.
just like a
Oh, because it's
mathematical
always. I know.
yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Oh, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna write it down. I'll do it to my kids later.
Yeah, yeah, they love it.
So you add up the two numbers. Okay.
You choose a number from 1 to 10 first,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and then you multiply by 9,
Two digit. Yeah, yeah, and it's done. It's always the same.
and then you
Yeah,
add up digits, and then you subtract 5, and you get the alphabet
and then you get
corresponding
the
letter.
yeah.
And yeah, so just to relieve the stress from the markets,
Yeah.
now price is at 25. Let's take a look. It's doing fine. It's doing well. Yep. Do you think we
Okay.
might be dropping from here?
I'm on a sell position now. I
Oh,
just
okay.
entered, so I think so.
Taking profit around
Give me
I think 18.5, right?
17. I have it that one. Have that one, but it's because of the of pips. So
Okay.
it's 60 pips. It's more than enough. That's it.
Yeah.
I'm on low risk now. Very, very low risk, just to keep
Yeah,
doing
I'm
my
not
job
in
but
my
not
natural
risking.
habitat as well, so uh, I won't be risking high. I'm on low risk as well. Yeah, this looks like dropping now.
Something's going on with my computer just in case dropping something. I'll be back.
Yeah, no problem. But you're already in your sell position, right?
Mm-hmm.
Stops above 26, 25.
Stops no, because I can re-enter. So
Yeah, so
final
you just
stop is
started layering. You're not
yeah,
fully
final
in.
stop is 30. Yeah, is 38.
Oh wow, yeah.
But just
So
because I enter
above,
3 times usually.
yeah, yeah. I got you. I got you. I got you. So, for example, let me just pick your brain about something. Imagine that you started selling here, right? And then it went up to 28. So you sold again at 28. Then it went back up to 35
Hmm,
and you sold again at 35.
hmm,
Your average price would be around 32 something, right?
mhm.
On a bigger position
Yeah.
with your stops above 38.
Hmm.
So don't you think if you just no, actually it's pretty much the same. Uh, Yeah. So my question here is, for example, your position is around like 30 something, right? Your
Right.
average price.
Yeah.
If it drops to 22, are you getting out, or you like since you waited for 100 pips to the upside, you're going to wait for now at least 100, 150 pips to the downside?
No,
Or
I don't
no,
do that.
it doesn't change anything that you waited too long in the in drawdown,
Hmm.
so now you want to wait longer in profit. You never
Mm,
do that.
not, I wouldn't say never, but no, I don't usually do that because in my eyes, market gives me different money every time,
Okay.
and I risk different money. So I enter 3 times because my trade's still valid on that scenario, but not my profit.
Yeah.
Because I'm not able to keep an open trade for hours. It's against my nature.
Yeah.
So I it's not valid for me trying to get, because I risked, I don't know, 100 pips. I'm going to wait until it gives me 100 pips, because it gives me anxiety and I'm not in front of the market. So I don't perform the same. So if I was after 40 pips and I had to re-enter 3 times, I close down at 40 pips. The moment my trade is invalid, I just close out everything and assume the loss, and that's it. And so that's why I usually lose more than I profit. But
you
that
mean
doesn't happen very often.
you mean like the size of the loss is much bigger than the size of the
Yeah,
average win.
yeah,
So the average loss is bigger, but the accuracy is high.
it's extremely
that's
high.
why
Yeah.
that's why it compensates for the bigger losses.
Yes, and also I have like different setups, like the AAA. You saw it; it was the level, the 13 level.
Yeah.
So on my personal account, it was an extremely high risk trade, because I know the probabilities are in my side. So I wouldn't enter 3 times on this trade. I only enter once, and
And big.
very, yeah, and big.
Okay, okay, got you. So depending on the trade score, you use an entry strategy, a
Mm,
different entry strategy for a different score or trade
yes.
score. Yeah,
Hmm.
got you.
Yeah, for instance, if the price gets to O2, as I mentioned before, that's a AAA entry, and
Okay.
I go big, and I only enter once. But A++ setups are not very common every day, so it's
Yeah,
not.
yeah,
Sometimes I mean, they are very common, but I'm not always in front of the computer when they happen.
yeah.
So this is why I change the way I manage risk.
By the way, you said you have someone that like writes codes for expert advisors or algorithms, bots. Who did your bot? Was it someone you know?
The creator,
Yeah.
I did it
No
for
way.
the one yeah, for the one I usually for the one I use,
Yeah.
I created and I did it, and then sometimes there's small bits I am not I don't know how to program these bits, and then I hire someone just to do bits and pieces, but very very small bits and pieces, and they don't know the whole robot because it's
Yeah.
yeah, because they work very very well, and I don't want anyone to know what's going on there. But yeah,
Okay.
it's very, my robots are very basic. You would be surprised how simple they are. So I just paid for a platform many years ago. Um, I know programming, but just the basics. But with Copilot, GPT, you can do whatever you do. I mean, you see these buttons here on the left
Yeah.
top. I did program this. It's an expert advisor in the sense that it's buttons. It doesn't enter a trade automatically.
Yeah. It's
But I,
just like it looks like magic keys, but it's
yeah,
like
it's magic key. So you can go to Chat GPT and tell it what you want, and then since I know coding a little bit, so I just do some
yeah.
changes here and there, and that's it. Robots, my robots are extremely easy. Um, that's, I mean, it's just a couple of two, three instructions to go in and out,
And that's it.
and, and that's it.
Nice. Okay.
But just in case someone's listening, it's not, my robots are not performing like I put on the robots and they work for 20 hours and I go to the beach. I only turn them on specific moments where the volatility is so high I won't be able to manage trades. Or while I'm here talking and I see a scenario, it can give me a nice opportunity on other accounts, and then I turn them on. So I manage the robots. It's like an assistant, like having an
Okay.
assistant.
Yeah, I got you. I know you told me before. And no, no, don't worry. Like no one's listening
Yeah.
to. Uh, Misa works on debugging by himself or herself. There's a whole conversation going about programming in the chat,
Yeah.
and I don't understand programming to be honest. I wish I did.
Uh, I'm an engineer, a programming engineer, but I was so bad at programming, and no one wanted me on my first job because I was so bad programming, because I get distracted very often, and I'm not made for programming, but
Yeah.
I know the concepts very well.
Do you know how to make um or how to program for yourself? So that's pretty much enough
Yeah,
actually.
not 100%, but then I hire the bits and pieces I don't know, and that's it.
Yeah. You want to bet something now? Like the market is ranging and stuck between the 15, 14, and 30. this $15 range. Once we close the live stream, the market will go crazy and we will see a new
Yeah.
all-time high.
No, it'll go down.
Oh yeah, whatever. Yeah.
Now it's ranging a lot. There's important news as well at 4 o'clock, so I expect very big movements at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
And the US Open is about to start in 9 minutes.
Toxic love is here. Hello, hello.
Hi, Toxic. News were out an hour and
No,
a half ago.
yeah, but we have more news coming out, which is the CPE number, PCE number, sorry, coming out in 38 minutes. But initial jobless claims were positive, GDP was positive, and we'll see how inflation is doing in 30
Mm.
minutes.
4 p.m. said, yeah.
Yeah.
All right, keep going up if you want.
Ah, sorry. Mesa is a girl. I'm sorry to
Oh,
say
Mesa?
himself.
Okay.
So herself. I'm sorry, Mesa.
Well, it's very common. It's a man world. The trading.
Trading world, yeah, is
Yeah. So it's easier to assume that you're a guy than a girl. It happens to me many times, so it's nothing to worry about. Did you came from Portugal? So you left Barcelona. It was raining in Barcelona.
that's toxic
Then,
love, right?
yeah, that you should change your your name Toxic, because maybe I told you
Yeah,
yesterday
you're attracting
yeah, you're
shitty
attracting
things,
bad
man.
things. But
Yeah.
because you got to Portugal and it was raining there, and now you're back Barcelona. Outside Barcelona, it's sunny day, but it's been raining the whole day here. Yeah, I don't know what part of Barcelona you are, but a bit south, it's sunny day now. Yeah, change it please to good news, love, pity, something like that.
Yeah. Cupcake love.
Cupcake love.
Rainbow love. Or no, cupcake was better than rainbow these days. Let's see. Okay, okay, okay. Do you think we're done dropping?
I think we're
Like,
moving
is
to.
there a possibility that we're done dropping?
No.
No, right?
I mean,
You're still determined that it's going to drop.
even if, yes, I don't know when, but high probabilities are it'll drop before the end of the session. It's very probable it reaches out 34, like now in the opening, because it's a high volatile moment,
Yeah.
even even higher. But my big levels there, it's 02.
Also. And for example, I know you just answered this question, but since sorry, pardon me. If you averaged your price around 30, and
Mm,
you know for a fact that it's going, or not for a fact, like most probably the price is going to 802. Why
Mm.
don't you just wait, or like just leave um 20% of your position running? I know
Yeah,
that I'm not trying to convince you with anything. I'm just trying to understand your thought process.
and it's a fantastic thought process because this is what I'm trying. I'm trying to leave my comfort zone with very small trades and
Okay.
just leave it out. Like this trade here. It's so many times that that happens to me. Like I enter the market, I predict 25, 25, 30, 40 pips retracement. It happens, but I could leave a few runners and I'm learning about doing it because my predictions are very accurate to my liking. I mean, to me.
Yeah.
So it's like I know gold very well, but I don't get all the money I should because I close out early, as you said. So yes,
Hmm.
I'm working on that this year,
Like
but it's hard.
why don't you start with like 5% of the position, like only
So
5%, and then you start like easing in like 10, then 15%, then 20%, and I
yeah,
think the maximum should be 20%, since
this is
you're
the
like
reason I designed this strategy on gold because as you know, I enter many times at the same point, like six, seven trades at the same point. Why? Because I expected to be farther along on my um, out of the zone.
hmm,
Saying like if I enter 10 trades at the same point, it's like one trade because it's the same point. I'm not doing
yeah, yeah,
ECA or anything. And then get it gets to my profit and then I close out 80% or even 90%, as you said. And then I leave one runner. Even that, it's extremely difficult. Extremely difficult.
even one,
Even one, yeah, I have a hard time. Because
even
every
if
time
it's
it
like
moves a little
even if
bit
it's
up,
like at break even, even if it's placed at break even, for
even if
example.
it's nothing. So after 90% of the profit, even doing so, I'm having a hard time. So yeah,
Oh, so I think it's in your head. It's nothing else.
it's nothing else. It's in my head
Yeah,
because you see,
yeah.
I mean, and I could show you more and more examples every day.
Then I'm sure you have more examples, because
Mm.
sometimes your entries are crazy accurate,
Uh,
and then just keep holding. You'll make much more money than
yeah, it's
going
like
in and
this
out.
one. This one,
Yeah, like
look at that one. That one was okay, but I had this level targeted in the morning. So I closed 50 pips before. That was
yeah,
my first profit. That was my second profit. And then sometimes I have a third because
yeah.
I'm supposed to leave some runners. So I was supposed to close these ones because these are like in a worse position than that ones and then leave one or two. And I couldn't. I closed it out. And my plan was it goes up and then I start selling. I did start selling, but I left a lot of money on the table and over.
I think you should like start gradually, like just easing in. I know it will be hard, but I'm just like I'm sure it will be better for you. Like
Yeah.
in terms of money, nothing else.
Nothing
You're
else. Yeah, yeah,
already,
I know.
yeah, you're already profitable. You're already doing great. But I'm just
Yeah,
like
but it's a
I don't like to see to see money on the table and not take it.
mm,
Uh, Especially if I know that this money is mine. It's not someone
that's right.
else's. It's mine. I know, like it's going to 800. So
Mm,
why leave that? Like,
mm.
to who?
Yeah,
Did you
that I
get
mean
me? Why
I
are you
know the
leaving your money?
theory.
That's your knowledge. You know
Yeah.
that it's going to 802. So why just like
Mhm.
exit before? That's I promise I'm not convincing you with anything, but I'm
No,
just
no, I
trying to.
appreciate your comments a lot because it's I mean my train of thought is the same. and I know the theory extremely well, but when I have to execute, I am so used to being in and out of the market many times that being in the market and just leave it out for it to be.
It feels different and it feels stressing. Yes, I get you.
Hmm.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I'm about to enter the second time. It's about to hit another level.
Which is 34, yeah?
A bit more up, yeah, kind of. I'm expecting it. Let's see. Should go up.
Oh, oh wow. Broke
Okay, now it'll go up a little bit. Then let's see how it
38.
goes. It's fine.
So we have a new higher low and a new higher high.
hmm It's
Hmm.
halfway.
Okay.
This is the opening 33. It's getting that to another
And why
resistance.
open?
Yes, it should go back. Now, if it doesn't retrace 45, where's the level? 50. 50. It should. What was the sound? Okay.
47.
Should, yeah, you should think about it now.
Okay. Now it's retesting the breakout area. Let's see.
It'll go up a little more. I'm not trusting this reversal at all.
Yeah,
Uh,
we're still going to see 50, and I think we're going to see a new all-time high today. So let's take a vote. Do you think we will see $5,000 before the end of January or not?
End of January, it's 2 weeks time.
No, it's less than 2 weeks time. It's just a
Less
week.
than, yeah,
Yeah, 1 week.
it is very possible.
Yeah,
Hmm.
let's vote, guys. Everyone, do you think? Just say yes or no, and we'll count the votes. My vote is yes. Rosa's vote is also yes. We can consider it as yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's see how many people think that gold will make or reach 5,000 before the end of January. So one, two, three, four. Mesa is asking how banks or big giants make money after buying at all-time highs and continue. I want to know, and then I think couldn't, or like it got cut. Anyway, so usually when prices go up, uh, the uh, the natural thing retail traders think of, or anyone might think of, like, now it's too expensive, I need to sell it. So we start selling what we have, or we start um, uh, short selling what we don't have, which is selling on the like, when you press sell on MT5, when and you don't have gold and you sell gold, that's short selling. Anyway, so retail traders think, or like behave in this manner, which is like, now it became too expensive, I need to sell. While big banks, or big, as you call them, the giants, what they do is they think differently. They say, okay, so uh, people like retail traders are selling at all-time highs. Let me buy from them because I see price still going up, and people short selling will also have like their stops above a certain level, which is like we're already an all-time high. So it will be very hard for them to place their stop loss at an actual level. So they will just go above a made-up level, which is 5,000, for example, the round number of 5,000. So everyone will place their stop above 5,000. So this would be very obvious for giants and banks and institutions that there are many people shorting now the markets with their stops above 5,000 round number. So you will see like the price may be reaching around 5,050, 100, and then it starts correcting. So why? Because it it cleans out all the or shakes out all the retail traders who short sell with their stops above 5,000. So that's how they make money out of it, because it's like you need to put yourself in their shoes. It's very obvious when uh, you think how or you just like take a moment to think how retail traders would react or would behave, and how would you take their money. It's very easy. It's I just like explained it to you. I hope I answered your question. Let's see. So we have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Okay, we have a no. So one no, seven yeses. Mine and Rosa's. So we're 9-1 now. Not this month. We have two no's. Silver 110. I agree. Yeah, Mesa knows short selling. Something happened to me naturally. I started saving in high school and started parking my savings in gold just to avoid inflation impacts. But the happening was I bought always on new all-time highs or highs. Yeah, that doesn't matter because like your intention from this um, investment, let's call it an investment, is actually preserving capital or saving yourself from inflation, or protecting your capital from inflation, which are you are doing pretty well. So keep doing that. Even buying at all-time highs or new highs is totally different, as long as you're not trading. Sometimes when you're trading, buying an all-time high is also good, but you get my point. Um, New all-time high does not bother me. Yeah, it shouldn't bother you. I
It
like buy
shouldn't.
I like buying at all-time highs, to be honest. At least I know I'm like I'm with the trend. Well, I've been talking for a while because it dropped from 47 to 33, and it retested the area that I told you like it should be
Mhm.
retesting, which is the breakout level. I talked for a while. Sorry if I bored you guys.
Not at all.
I think I might have to leave. Um,
Okay.
But just a quick update, Rosa. What are you doing now? Like, are you in sells? Are you in buys?
I'm in sales. I'm just waiting. If it hits my stop loss, it hits. Otherwise, I'll wait. I'm still thinking it'll drop to 02 before the end of
Okay.
the session. Um, but who knows? I mean, it's just a guess. So that's my. This is the last trade of the day. Either hit stop loss or take profit, and
RTP.
that's it.
Well, best of luck. I hope it hits TP, and I'll be watching the prices closely. I'll be waiting for 802
Yeah.
um, to buy. To be honest, I'm going to
Of
buy there.
course. Yeah, you buy when it gets there.
Yeah, and we'll celebrate on the next live stream when you hit TP on
Fantastic.
808, oh 02, sorry. Um, I'm sorry I need to leave, but it was, as always, a pleasure
It's okay. Thanks
sharing
for
the
the
screen
session,
with Rosa.
Saif.
Thank you, everyone, for being so great and for your great questions. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourselves and bye bye.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye.